Clearly somebody's comfortable. Don't embarrass me in front of our friends. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I normally don't recreate things that I see on TikTok, but I was obsessed once I saw this particular video and I wanted to recreate it. If you know me, then you know that Halloween is my favorite. I'm sorry, my hair went in his face and he got freaked out. If you know me, then you know that Halloween is my favorite holiday of all time, more than Christmas, more than my birthday, more than anything. And I like to be bloody and gory. I don't want to be pretty during Halloween. I want to look disgusting at all course. So she did this like haunted pumpkin face kind of thing situation, and I wanted to recreate it. I ordered scar wax. I went to Spirit Halloween store, purchased liquid latex, purchased blood, all that shit. I feel like he's kissing me. Well, he's just looking at himself in the mirror behind. Okay. Pay no mind to fat boy. Everything that I used in this video will be linked down below, as well as the original video that I got my inspiration from. Please follow this young lady on TikTok if you're looking for more Halloween looks to recreate, because she's doing one for every single day of the month of October. Me personally, I don't know if I'll ever do that again. It was super tedious and a lot harder than I anticipated it to be. Sis is a magician, because I don't know how the hell she did it. Before we get into this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, shop my merch. Every single thing that you need will be linked down below. If you have any questions, just sound off and I'll holla at you. And let me know if you think I did a good job. If I did a good job, put a pumpkin emoji with an orange heart emoji next to it. Then I'll know that you actually watched the whole video and that you actually liked how my version of it came out. All right, that's it, friends. Let's get started. All right, boom, friends. So I laid my brows down with some Anastasia brow freeze. I think that's what it's called. Yes. So right now I'm going to go over that with some lash glue, some clear lash glue, because I really want my hairs to lay down. She used in her video a glue stick. I don't have that. So I'm going to use what I have. And hopefully this doesn't backfire on me. Baby steps. Getting this off later is going to be a pain in the ass. And I still have my lash extensions. So we going to figure it out. All right, so she did that. I'm going to let this lash glue dry down a little bit before I start doing other things. And then she concealed them. So I'm going to let the lash glue dry, conceal powder, and then I think she concealed powdered and then concealed powder. It's dark. Let me get better lighting for you guys. Ooh, how's that? Let me see. I saved the video.
Get the spoolie and brush the hairs completely up. Let it dry, then add another layer. Put concealer over them, powder, more concealer, more powder.
Okay.
And they're gone.
So we're going to use this Derma blend. I'm going to use this sponge. Are you dry? You're a little tacky. I don't know if I should wait a little bit more, but let's do it. Fuck it. I don't think I've ever completely blocked out my brows before. Okay, so you can still see the patches, so let's see. Getting this off later is going to be rather interesting. This is terrifying. I look insane. And the lash extensions don't. I feel like this is going to be rough before it gets really good. I look like a demon. I look like a gargoyle. Alright, so I'm going to use some of this Maybelline, the Fit Me, the loose powder. And I'm going to go over that. Oh, wow. This is something. I can tell you right now, this feels weird. What does she do next? So we have to do the triangle for our eyes. Okay, here we go. Oh, are you sharpened? Okay, here we go. Oh, no, go upwards, because here I am messing up my blocked out brows. Okay, hold on. Let me just say really quick, friends, I know that my triangle on my nose is upside down. Just bear with me. I'm going to fix it later. And stop focusing on the negative. Shoo. The next step she does after she draws the lines and that whole shebang, is she gets her scar wax, which I got off of Amazon. I'll link everything that I use down below. So she rolls it up into little wormies. She said to make the tip a little narrow. So I already made my 3 wormies for the sake of time and editing. So then she takes liquid latex, and I have a love-hate relationship with liquid latex. Like, I understand the importance of it, but it smells like lobster cooch. She places it along the lines that we made with the brown liner. I'm gonna just try to like get it there. This is gonna be very interesting later, going on outside with this on my face and taking pictures. I just want to throw that out there. I'm gonna do one eye on camera. I'm taking the first little wormy that I made, and then I'm going to place it here. This might be a little bit too thick, but hopefully I'm able to like finesse it somewhat. I'm gonna need more glue than that. Damn, I didn't expect it to fall off like that. See, this is not easy. Shorty is phenomenal, because this is not easy at all. She did put a nice good amount. So you know what? Let me stop being stingy with it. Oh, but liquid latex literally smells like lobster twat. I can't. Crab coochie, mermaid crotch. Do mermaids have crotches? They have to. Ariel, hoo-ha. Okay, I think that's a better amount. Let's get you here. Let's place you. And hopefully this time you stick. So you might notice that this particular piece of scar wax has a little bit of discoloration to it. That's because I have like this blue dye in my hair, and I had some on my fingers, and it picked it up. So there you have it. We're gonna let that sit for a second. Okay. That lifted. Okay. All right, I'm trying lash glue and hoping that this helps this thing to adhere better. You know what I'm gonna do? Along the edges and the crevices, I'm gonna add more liquid latex, and hopefully that will reinforce it. I'm gonna do that, and once I have these sticking on solid, we'll go over the next few steps. This is not easy. This was not easy, and I have to do it for this eye and the mouth and the nose. Luckily, my scar wax came with this skin wax extension oil, so because the Vaseline, I don't know how she did it. I don't know how she did it with Vaseline, because the Vaseline was not working. I felt like when I was trying to spread it with the Vaseline, it was lifting the scar wax. So luckily that oil came and I was able to move it around. I'm probably gonna have to powder this though and put liquid latex on it because it's oil. So I don't see how anything would stick to it or adhere to it. But I'm not mad at this. It just, with me, I have to kind of get the groove of something before I can like go full force. I'm gonna do and the mouth. When she does the mouth, she does mention that I shouldn't talk a lot, so I'll probably get like some little mini clips of me doing the mouth. But for now, these eyeballs are about to take me forever. Anytime I do any creepy Halloween makeup, things like this part is my least favorite. I love doing like the texture with the different colors and adding blood, like the blood. You're gonna see me go crazy for the blood. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I've been putting layers of liquid latex over there already just to kind of seal the edges, because I had to use that scar wax oil something. So yes, I'm trying to follow her step by step, but I think because of me being a beginner and I've never done this, I've never played with scar wax before. Normally anytime I use liquid latex, I'll like manipulate toilet paper or paper towel. So I'm gonna continue to build up this, and hopefully the other, I like a kitty cat, hopefully this side will stick a lot better than the first side. But listen, we're learning, and I just want the pictures to come out fire. I can't wait to walk around my neighborhood like this and scare random children. Update: eyes are on, nose is kind of on. I'm doing this in sections where I'm like kind of manipulating the scar wax, adding liquid latex, manipulating the scar wax, adding liquid latex. That just seems to work for me. Again, this is a lot more tedious than I anticipated. Sis made this look so flippin' easy in the video, but I'm not gonna give up. Gotta do the mouth. Bear with me. Okay, so the mouth is on, but I can't really talk that well because the liquid latex needs to set before I could spread the scar wax. In the meantime, I'm going to use my the Makeup Forever Flash Cover Case to start building in the red inside of my eye. And then we'll come back and spread the scar wax around the mouth. I might have to do voiceovers for the rest of the video because I don't know if I'm going to be able to talk. Okay, friends, so I sped this up. I'm just stippling that red Makeup Forever cream color in my eyes while jamming, and then I start placing layers of the liquid latex all over my face the same way that she did in her video, just to create some texture, and then I start blending out that scar wax around the mouth. So after adding an obnoxious amount of liquid latex, don't act, it's gonna come together. I'm taking a mixture of brown and red, and I'm just going over the edges of the scars to create a shadow. So you'll see me gradually build it up. It's something. I can't really talk that much because this is still drying. I don't know how Shorty did it. I swear I don't know how she did it. She is a magician. She's a magician and she deserves a prize or an award of some sort because this is not easy. Not easy at all. Like, it seemed like such a good idea. I just want the liquid latex to dry already so I can speak freely. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but this is taking me quite some time. So I deepened. I can speak a little bit better now because the liquid latex has dried a bit. So I'm using this BkSheDevil Thick Blood, and I'm just using a Q-tip and kind of spreading it here to give it more texture around the mouth. I literally forgot that I was filming. I was on the phone chatting running my mouth, but I'm back. But I'm going to keep on doing this just for texture purposes, right? Because I want it to look like raw flesh. I purchased this bloody scab for stuff, and then I also have this came with the scar wax kit. It's coagulated blood, and can I just tell you how much I love the word coagulated? Do I know the definition? No. Are you gonna tell me the definition? Possibly no as well, but it's okay because in my mind I like it. If I could give you a summary, the scar wax portion of it I did not enjoy doing, but this part, like making it gory and gross, here for it, love it. This is what I want to do for the rest of my life. As far as like creating texture, I'm using this NYX palette and I'm just taking like a mixture of these browns and just like anywhere where there would be a natural shadow from the texture, just adding little marks and things of that nature, just so that the scars really pop out at you. I've added several layers of liquid latex to like my forehead and stuff. So this is definitely very much probably not going to execute as well as hers did, but this is very much inspired by hers. I completely jacked up this part of the lips, and by the time I was done, I was fed up. Nothing a little fake blood can't fix. I really am like digging this though, low key. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make that happen on this side. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, like who wants to be a sexy kitten for Halloween? Not me. Another Q-tip. Check. Let's see what this blood is hitting for. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, that's a little, okay, we can get jiggy with that. Thick in consistency, which I like because then that means it won't dry out. Like, you know, sometimes you'll get those Halloween bloods and you put it on and it's wet for like 5 seconds and it dries and it like instantly peels off. I don't like that. This I like. I cannot wait to take photographs. Oh, I am obsessed. I am a little piece of definitely obsessed with this. Tell me I'm pretty. Please tell me I'm pretty. I love this. I shouldn't love this much, but I do. So I am terrible with contact lenses, and I'm tearing, and then I could taste the blood coming down. Ew. Okay, so I got one contact, and this is looking pretty flippin' sick if you ask me. I gotta put the other one in. I took my hair down. We're gonna see where this goes. I want to go show Carolyn, but she's asleep on the couch and I don't want to scare her. But I'm like not mad at it. The scar wax was difficult. I think I did okay for my first try. This part is completely jacked up. We will come back to that another day. This is like the Wish version of what Shorty did in her video. Sorry about the lighting change, friends, but I was like trying some stuff out with my phone. Trying to get rid of this harsh line of where the foundation and the liquid latex meet. And I don't even know if I blended that. Like right now, I have no idea what's blended, what's not blended. No clue whatsoever. I want to call Grandma Saida on video chat and see if she answers to get her reaction to how I look. I don't want to scare her. Let's see if she answers.
Hello.
Mommy,
What?
I want to show you the Halloween makeup I did, but I didn't want to scare you.
You not scared me with nothing. I am not scared.
Do I still look beautiful?
Yeah, and you wanna go outside like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna go take pictures.
Oh, you want that picture?
Yeah, just to take pictures.
What you want there?
Contacts.
Contact. And I know it.
Do I look scary?
You don't look scary. Scary is a total.
Really, Ma? So, because I started crying a lot or tearing a lot when I put the contacts on, a bunch of the prosthetic mouthpieces fell off. I'm just gonna push through this, friend. Hopefully the pictures come out nice. Thank you so much, friends. I hope you enjoyed this. The girl who did this, so the young lady who did this, kudos to you, because this is hard. This is difficult. This is a little piece of complicated. If you enjoyed watching me struggle, if this creeped you out, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're a Halloween buff like myself, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. A murder! Alright, friends. Until next time, I'm signing out. Halloween pop out.